Okay, so we're at this problem here, solve this equation. And, someone says, why do you go through all this handwork, this paper and pencil work to get a solution problem? It just sort of, it kind of practice and understanding polynomials, I'd say. Right, but initially what I did is rational root theorem, not working out too well because those numbers are kind of huge to me. So I made a substitution, typical substitution, by the way. You're trying to get something in between 5 and 7 to make it a little bit easier to handle. And we did that. It was relatively simple to do. And we had two imaginary and two real. All right. So the bottom line is I want to go through the use of Sage. All right. Now, if I'm using Sage, we're in Sage now, reset. This is typical. We've been doing this for some time. And then just type the equation in. I'm going to solve it. SOLVE. What am I solving? Well, I'm solving the equation x plus 5 to the fourth power plus x plus 7 to the fourth power equals, that double equal sign means inequality, and we're solving for x. And what do I get over here? I get answers. Now, what answers do I get? I get two real answers, the ones we're expecting, by the way, -3 and -9. And I get those two complex answers. And again, we were getting these imaginary numbers over here. And if we made a substitution, we'd get these complex answers as well. By the way, I also want to point out that, if I looked at this one over here, let me just expand this for you. And I'm going to go through that and expand it. And as I do that, whoops, I made a mistake there. Sorry about that. And then take away 272. Whoops, made a mistake here. And I got to find out what I made a mistake. I see it now. Okay. Now, I could also factor that. And let's put underscore, which indicating I want to factor that prior output. And, Sage's pretty good at this. And what do you get there? Well, you get, those real solutions I'm getting is x plus 9, x plus 3, right? So x plus 9, the root there would be -9. And for the factor x plus 3, the root would be -3, as expected, by the way. Now, I notice it didn't factor this guy out over here. So what I want to do is, I'm going to solve it, SOLVE. I want to solve that for 0. This has no rational roots. I'm sorry, it's equal to 0. I want to solve for x. And what I'm going to get, as expected, those two complex roots. All right, thank you.